You probably have heard of pH. They use it in shampoo commercials a lot, and if you have a swimming pool, you know pH is important in the pool. If the pH is less than 7, it's an acidic solution. If the pH is greater than 7, it's a basic solution. And pH equals 7 is a neutral solution. So here's a little graph of that. Weakly acidic and strongly acidic, where exactly those boundaries change is, you know, kind of an individual basis. But 7 is neutral, lower is acidic, higher is basic. That's important to know. So what is pH? pH is a logarithmic scale for measuring the hydronium ion concentration. And it's used because the variation in concentration spans 14 orders of magnitude. So in order to make that a little more reasonable to deal with, like on a graph or something, we use pH. I haven't gotten to, there it is. But pH equals the negative base 10 log of the hydronium ion concentration. So it's helpful to have an understanding of what a logarithm is. A base 10 log is a factor. How many factors of 10? 10 raised to a power. So if we have a pH of 4, it's the negative log of the hydronium ion concentration. Hydronium ion concentration -4. pH is that exponent made into a positive number. This representing 10 to the -4 moles per liter. If we go down 1 unit on the pH scale, we've increased the concentration of hydronium by a factor of 10. Each unit on the pH scale is a 10-fold change in the hydronium ion concentration. It's a little bit like the Richter scale for earthquakes. A magnitude 5 earthquake is 10 times worse than a magnitude 4. So the exponent, -4, you change the sign, and that becomes the pH. -3, 3, -2, 2. So a pH 2 has 1,000 times more hydronium ion concentration than a pH 4 solution. So this is the equation. I'll explain logarithms. I don't want to explain logarithms. If you're interested, I'll explain them to you. I kind of already did. pH is negative log of hydronium ion concentration. So we need to be able to calculate the pH from the hydronium ion concentration. You're going to use your calculator, okay? Calculate the pH of each solution. Well, we're going to use that equation. pH equals negative log of H3O plus. So find the LOG button on your calculator. For some calculators, you're going to put the hydronium ion concentration in first and then press the log button and change the sign. For others, you're going to do it negative, log button, and the concentration. So you have to figure out what your calculator wants. So for this first one, I need the negative log, pH is the negative log of 9.5 times 10 to the -9. Negative base 10 log 9.5 EE minus 9 equals. So this is going to be 8.02 is the pH. Acidic or basic? This is basic. The pH is above 7, or we can look at the hydronium ion concentration and see that it's less than 10 to the -7. Let's do B here. pH is the negative log of 6.1 times 10 to the -3. Negative base 10 log 6.1 EE minus 3. This is 2.2, 1 times, no, not times anything, 2.21. It's the pH. Acidic or basic? Acidic. It's less than 7. Any questions?